Hi, this is Bruce Lussels from Zora Outdoor on behalf of ExpertVillage.com. We're going to talk about making a campfire and taking down a campfire and campfire safety. So once you have a good campfire going, the next thing you're going to want to do is set up some comfortable seating around it so you can enjoy it for the evening. One of the first rules about setting up campfire seating is you want to set up your seating on the upwind side of the fire so people aren't having to breathe the smoke from the fire that's being blown downwind. And of course, wind is inevitably changing all the time, so the smoke may move and may affect different parts of the seating arrangement at different times, but there's generally a more downwind direction, and that's a good place not to set up any campfire seating. There are a bunch of different ways to create seating for a campfire. If you have some old logs you can find in the woods or some wood to sit on, that can be nice and comfortable and can provide a bench for a few people to sit on. Cooler if you're camping, if you're car camping or canoe camping and you have cooler for your food. These comfortable camp chairs are a great idea if you have room to carry them in a car again or in a canoe. And if you have less room in your backpacking or something, one of these Crazy Creek type chairs can be a good option as well. But either way, make sure you set up your seating far enough away from the campfire so that people aren't going to be getting sparks in their faces or on their clothes a lot, and so that people can enjoy the warmth but not be too much in danger from the fire itself.